What you drinking? Rum or whiskey? Now won't you have a double with me? I'm sorry I'm a little late. I got your message, by the way. I'm calling in sick today. So let's go around for old time's sake. I'll never forget you. They said we never make it, my sweet joy. Always remember me. We were mischievous, and you were always wearing black. I was so serious, you know my boyfriend's mother nearly had a heart attack. I'm sorry I'm a little late. You know the stripes on a tiger are hard to change. And though this world feels like an empty stage, I wouldn't change a thing. So glad you're back again. I'll never forget you. They said we never make it, my sweet joy. Always remember me. I'll never forget you. At times we couldn't shake it. You're my joy. Always remember me. We just got swallowed up. You know I didn't forget you. We just got swallowed up. What you thinking? Did you miss me? I done borrowed your silver boots. Now if you just let me give them back to you, I'll never forget you. They said we never make it, my sweet joy. Always remember me. I'll never forget you. Oh, night at times we couldn't shake it. You're my joy. Always remember me. Don't you know that you're my joy? Always remember me.
If you wake to find you're alone, call me up on the telephone and I'll say, come on round, kick up your feet. I check to see if your heart still beats. You can say, I heard her laugh, but she sounded blue. I said, you know, my heart's for you, it lies awake. Dreaming of its promised land, a gentle touch from your gentle hand.